Hi everybody. Thank you so much for coming back here. Thank you so much. Well, thank you very much. Yes, I'm back. Thank you so much, guys. Dobra jutro, Caro. Hi, good morning. Dari, J3M4. Yeah, Bradley, Wasim, Namaste. Wow, very nice. Hi, Hubert. Thank you so much for coming back. And today, I'm Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Thank you so much. Hi, thank you. Cecilia, thank you very much. Well, I'm so happy to be back with all of you here. Thank you so much here. Yes. Well, how's your past 2 weeks? I guess should be good. Alright. I guess it should be very good. Yeah. Alright. Well, yes. Hi. Yes. Hi. Hi, Robert. Brother of Robin. Alright. Thank you so much. Alright, guys. Really, thank you. A very warm welcome. Okay. Yes. I'm back once again. Okay, so very excited. Yes, I guess all of you are also very excited. Okay. Yes, thank you. Yep. Okay, so let's see, what is that? Yep. Oh? Oi? What's the happening? Oh. Okay. Control T. You can try Control T. Click Control T. Okay, very good. Okay, yeah. Thank you so much, Eileen. Okay, I'm back. Yes, I'm back here once again. Thank you, everybody. Alright, so, well, I hope for the past 2 weeks everybody is doing very well. Okay. So let's come back once again. I will reply all the messages. Okay, and yep. And let me see. Okay, we shall come back here. Okay, and let's start off with what I have actually filtered out some of the currency pairs here. Okay, so let's take a look at what do we have today. Okay, let's take a look at Aussie CAD here. Right, Aussie CAD itself. Okay, I will start to filter, then let's see what do we have. Okay, so that it will help us to better focus in our trading. Okay, it will help us to focus in our trading. Okay, yeah, and let's see. Okay, let's get serious now. Okay. Okay, today is Monday. Yes, today is Monday. Yeah, right. Hi, Sabrina. Thank you so much for coming back. I thought you'll be back in July. Oh yeah, I'm back here. Okay. Yeah, so let's see. Aussie CAD over here. Okay, so first of all, I'm looking into this area here. Since last week, okay, the one today, Monday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, last week. Yeah, last week it started to turn down. And we can see there's a lot of selling off. Is it coming to an end of this selling? Tentatively, I would say that we can still go for a little bit of selling. Okay, just a little bit more. Alright, not much. Okay, not much. Okay, that I would say that not much. Okay, but we still have some to go. Okay, yeah. So I guess it should be good. Alright. So yes, Dari, how y'all doing? Okay. Okay, so I hope everybody is doing good. Okay, so let's take a look over here. Okay, for here, right. We can see there's some retesting over here, so I will still go for some selling for the Aussie CAD. Okay, so Aussie CAD, I'm still looking into selling of Aussie CAD is still quite possible. So later on, I will be looking out for one good round. In fact, we have one tested and breaks through once again. So probably over here, we have one retested over into this area, continue the selling already. Okay, it's sold off for about 7 pips. So we shouldn't be chasing, huh? Let's wait for another round. Okay, since that's the case, let's wait for another round. Okay, so Aussie CAD is 1. Okay, so let me put it in. Okay, Okay, let me put this in. All right, I'm gonna put this in. Okay, Aussie CAD. Right, yeah. Okay, yeah. Guys, do remember to share my streaming. Okay. Okay, so yep. And over at this point here for the Aussie franc. Okay, for the Aussie franc. Yeah, Aussie franc over here, we can see that now we are also coming back into the selling. However, we need to be a little bit careful because Aussie franc is getting nearer to the support with about 15 pips away. If this is going to break through, in fact, I'm looking into a lower one, which I see there may be a good chance here. So we still have about 40 over pips to go. However, right? However, we are still waiting for it. We have about 15 pips to the support, so we just need to be a little bit careful with this. Alright. Okay, so I will still put this into my watch list. Well, for Aussie yen, yeah, Aussie yen, I think quite straightforward. From just now, I was looking at it. It looks like we have a lower highs here, and we are coming into a selling point over here. As we can see that over at this area here, we are actually breaking through the structure. The sellers are coming in. Okay, as we can see the highs here. All right. So let me use this, the highs here. Then slowly come down. It build up another highs here, which is a lower high compared to the previous one. And now another one coming in. Today we have a gap here, and now we have the gap has been filled up. And now over here, looks like they are breaking through the structure. Okay, so looks like we still have some to go for this to meet up with the support here. We have about 30 pips of space. 30 pips of space. Okay. Alright. Sawadee krap, Suki. Yeah. And over at this point here. Okay. And that's one. Okay, that's one over at this point here. So yeah. You look tired. Do I look tired? Yeah, actually yesterday I have a very long day. Yeah, I took a night flight, and I slept for about 3 hours. Yeah, and I got so busy all the way until this morning 3 AM, and I have another good sleep, but not enough. Okay. Yes. Thank you, Sabrina. Yeah. Okay, let's come back here. Okay. So yeah, for Aussie, and yeah, I'm going to put this into my watch list as well because I think that's still pretty good. Okay, for Aussie Kiwi, yeah, Aussie Kiwi, because of the trading hours, not really that optimistic. However, I'll still be putting this into my watch list because I still see that there's about 50 over pips to go. For you to pay attention to this Aussie Kiwi, okay, but if you're not comfortable with the volume, then you can just skip this. Okay, all right. As for Aussie dollar, let's take a look at Aussie dollar. Yeah, Aussie dollar still looking good. All right, still looking good for the selling. However, we are meeting up with a support over at this area here. So Aussie dollar from the resistance, we still have about 25 pips here. Okay, I think over at this area here, we can see this is a resistance. Am I right? Okay. So from the resistance, we still have 25 pips to go. In fact, right now, let's take a look. Oh, we missed this thing. Okay, this area. Okay, so the selling should be here to here about now. Maximum, the lowest it went, it was about 10 pips. Okay, yeah. So I guess let's wait for another round. Okay, let's take out the lows first, then we'll see how it goes. For Euro Aussie, I think very clear, straightforward. I'm going to skip this. Okay, yeah. So for buyers, you can take note. For sellers, skip the Euro Aussie. Okay. For EuroCAD over here, EuroCAD, now we are coming into the selling. I think it's very obvious. So over at this point here, let's wait for the resistance to form. Okay, we have a resistance up here after retested a few rounds last week. Okay, then come in here, we can see. Okay, we have one area here, one whole area here. So the nearest one we have one here. So this is going to test into this area, which we have about 25 to 26 pips. Then after that, we can go for the selling with about 100 pips, 90 pips. Sorry, not 100, 90 pips. So for EuroCAD, we have to pay attention. Okay, EuroCAD may not come so soon. Okay, but I think probably second half of the day or maybe tomorrow. Okay, then we will see how it goes. Then probably from there we will go for the selling. Okay, so let's see. Okay, and I guess there's still good chance for that. Okay, then after that we will take a look how it goes. All right. Yeah. Okay. Let me do this. Okay. Yes. Alright, so for Euro Yen, okay, for Euro Yen, I think it's also quite straightforward, but I'm looking out for selling very soon, the Euro Yen. The selling is coming in very soon. As you can see, the bull is still running. It's a bull trend. However, we are very near, we are at the resistance. So there may be a chance, but I'm not going to put this into my watch list as of now. We can pay attention to that. Okay, monitor this. Second, on the next H4 hours when it opens, there may be a good chance that it's going to go coming down for a selling. Okay, so at the moment, just be a little bit patient. Let's wait and see how it goes. Okay, all right. So for Euro Kiwi, right, Euro Kiwi, I think it's very straightforward. We are still in the bull. Okay, so let's see. First of all, we are still in the bull, very straightforward. And now we are still trying to test onto the resistance up here. Okay, so no, over here in this area here, it may be a head and shoulder, but it may comes in the next H4. So and during this H4, I'm going to skip this. Okay, all right. For Euro Dollar, yes, Euro Dollar. Once again, Euro Dollar. We are also looking out into the bull until this area here. So the transition area is here. So we have actually comes back here to create the transition area interchange. Okay, then the bull may turn down into the bear. So indeed, the bear has ran down. Okay, the bear has ran down, and now it's retracing upwards to retest into the interchange to see whether it should be going to break this area to continue to go for the bull, or it will start to change of trend to come back here for a selling. For at the moment, let's see if this is good to sell. Of course, for now, I'm not very keen. Okay, because as we can see, there's still very good chance here that the Euro Dollar may be going down for selling. Okay, maybe going down for selling. All right, but we still need some space up there. Okay, before we can go for the selling. Alternatively, there may be, we are now into an area here. As you can see, this area, it looks like a neckline. Okay, so this neckline over here, it may form a resistance as well. This area, it also can form a resistance, which is now testing. Okay, so I suggest scalping for the Euro Dollar. Okay, if that really shows a very good selling, okay, then we can go down to this area of support, which I see that about 55 pips to go. Okay, 55. So yep, at the moment, scalping through these 55 pips. Okay, all right, Euro Dollar. Okay, so for Euro Dollar, yeah, that's for Euro Dollar. Pound Aussie, let's take a look. Pound Aussie is in the bull. So very obvious, the bull is still running. So I guess buyers can take note, but look out for the resistance up there. Okay, we are also pretty near. So it's good to stay away today. All right, so yeah, Pound Cat. Yes, let's take a look at Pound Cat. Okay, Pound Cat over here, Pound Cat. Yeah, as for the Pound Cat, as of this area here, we can see that the Pound Cat is actually moving towards the bull. Okay, the bull is running until this area is stopped. Correct, it's stopped. So we are still hovering around this area, trying very hard to break out of the buying structure into the selling structure. So a little bit more to go. As for Pound Cat, I will say that we still have some chance because first of all, okay, we can see the support is here about 40 pips away. So can you see it's a head and shoulder? Correct, it's a head and shoulder. So over this area, head and shoulder, it should be going down for a selling. I'll be looking out for this area to sell. But there's a little support down here, which is very near right now. We are just merely about 6 pips away. Okay, so after we break this, then we can go down for this area here, which is about 30 pips, 30 pips. Okay, all right. So yeah, Pound Franc, it looks like we are still in this area here. Okay, so I guess well, so boring. Okay, so boring, right? Okay, so but again, if you are going for a trend ranging, okay, in a sideways trade, okay, we still have very good space down there. Okay, I would say that there may be a chance. Okay, there may be a chance. It's not. It doesn't mean that we don't have. Okay, but we still have a good chance there. But for me, I'm going to skip this because looks like it's going to test onto the resistance once again to form a selling structure. Then we can go on the selling. Okay, all right. I'm skip this first. Right, for pound yen, as we can see, pound yen over here, we are still looking out for a bull. So today I'm going to skip this. For pound kiwi, yeah, same thing. We are still in the bull, and the bull is still going to test on the resistance. Let's wait for it to test into the resistance first before we take action. Okay, yeah. And for pound dollar, yeah, pound dollar over here. Pound dollar, I would say that there's still very good space down there to sell. We have come into a point that selling is coming in. We have broke the structure. So right now, I still have about towards my profitable area here. It's about 57 pips. Okay, still good for selling. Okay, the selling is still good. Yeah. Okay. So that is still one. That's still very good. That we can still be looking out for some selling. Okay. As for the pound dollar, okay. As for the pound dollar, yeah. Let's see if there is a point. Okay. For us to sell down, okay. We still have this area here. Okay. We still have about 10 pips to go. Okay. About 10 pips to go. All right. So for this is for pound dollar. Okay. For pound dollar, yes. What's the question? Okay, let's see. Let's wait first. Okay, let's wait for a while. Okay, so for pound dollar, I'm going to put this into my watch list. Dollar CAD, let's take a look. Dollar CAD. Well, dollar CAD over here looks like a dollar CAD. We are still good for the selling, coming back into the bear. Alright, so we still have very good space down here. Okay, very good space. So let's narrow down and let's see. But first of all, we still need to take note of this area here, which is there's a minor support over into this area here. Alright. Yeah, correct. Okay, so let's see. Okay. Yeah, so one area here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, for dollar CAD, yeah, dollar CAD. After we break this support, then after that we have a good space for selling. Then we go for the selling. Okay, that's for the dollar CAD. All right, so dollar CAD, I'm gonna put this into my watch list as well. For dollar franc, okay, let's take a look at dollar franc. Dollar franc, we are hit on the support. Now it looks like this support has actually pushed us up. And let's see, we have support over here. We can see from this interchange is swing down. It has a break of structure over here. Seems like we are pushing down to look out for support, and then they are actually going in for a buy. Okay, looks like it's going in for a buy. So at the moment, okay, so stay put first. I'm not going to sell this dollar franc. Okay, neither do I want to buy. Okay, because tentatively we are still having one resistance down here. Okay, in details. After it breaks the resistance, then we'll see how it goes. Okay, all right. That's for dollar yen. As for dollar yen over here, dollar yen, we are still in the bull. The bull is testing onto the resistance right now. Okay, so looks like the selling is coming in very soon after it retests the resistance. Okay, allow it to go and retest the resistance. After it retests the resistance, then if let's say if this resistance able to hold, then we'll have a good space down there, about 80 pips to go. All right. Okay, so let's take a look about Bitcoin. Yeah, I think a Bitcoin 27,000 or 28,000 now. 30,000. 30,000. Okay, that's good. All right. So yeah, over at this point here, we will still remember, we were saying that if this hits 25.8, then I think for those who are actually still holding for the buy, then we can cut the profits. Am I right? Okay, but it did not hit on the 25.8. It still continued to boom up to 30,200. 30,200. I think that is still good at this point here. So far, I think it's still considered quite good over at this point here. Okay, all right. So still good to hold on to it. Well, let's take a look at the gold. Okay, let's take a look at the gold. Well, the gold, as we can see now, okay, let's take a look at what Caro was saying. Okay, gold is ranging between 1924 to 1927. There's a gap 1921 to 1922, maybe on the way to fill the gap. Okay, but I expect but I expect, okay, to see what 1932 to 1942, 1932 to 1942. Okay, all right. 1932 to 1942, 1932. Let's take a look. Okay, let me move in to take a look first. Okay, gold is ranging between 19. Let's take a look. This one, I'll be looking into this area here. Okay, 1, 2, 3 area here. Okay, 1924. Okay, to 1927. Okay, yep. One area here. Okay, so let me use H1, it will be easier. Then maybe on the way to 1935 to 1942, which is area here. Okay, 1935. Okay, yeah, I think quite possible. Okay, I think that's quite possible. All right. Okay, for looking into this area here, there's the, let's see, where's my resistance? Okay, resistance is here as well. Okay, so this is the resistance area. Okay, this is the resistance area here. So resistance, and let's see, 1935 to 1942. 1942. Okay, let's take a look. 1942. 1942. I'll be looking into about there, but it's 1943. 1943. Okay, 1943. And if this really actually comes in, okay, and if that really comes in, then I see that maybe another good chance. Okay, another good chance for it to cross into one level here. That's one level here. 1946. 1950. 1950. Yeah, about here. 1950. Okay, there will be a good chance 1950 over here. All right. Liquidity block at liquidity block. Okay, liquidity block is from 1939. Okay, 1939. Okay, 1939. Yeah, okay, that's one here, over here. Okay, so quite possible. Yeah, it's quite possible here. All right. Okay. Then okay, I think that's good. So we can see here. So at this moment here, at this area here, let's see if let's say if the gold is actually selling up. Okay, it's actually selling up, buying up. Sorry, it's not selling up. My God, what am I talking about? Buying up. There's a few points that I will be taking a look. 1927. Okay, I will be start the buy should be start from the 1927 above. Yeah, the action should be there. Okay, it should be there. Okay, then from there, then actually we can see that it has good potential from here to here. 1927 to about 1939. 1927 to 1939. Okay, about there. Okay, all right. Okay, that's for the goal. Yeah. Okay, yeah. And hi JJ, nice to see you. Oh, Bradley, GUTP. Okay, congratulations. Okay, let's take a look at the GU. All right, GU. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, GU. Okay, GU start selling off now. I think the target is still looking out into this area here. 19. No, not 19. 127, 138. 127, 138. Okay, I think that's still very good. Okay, still very good to go. There's some they are meeting up with some hurdles over here. Okay, so there's still over at this point here, right? Okay, yeah, some hurdles here. So after these hurdles, yeah, there may be a good chance, okay, that it will still swing down for until 127, 138. Okay, 127, 138. Yeah, okay. So that's, I think, pretty close. After it breaks this, okay, then there will be a good chance that it will start to swing down. Okay, yeah, but it has to break this. Okay, all right. Anyway, you have gotten your profit. That's good. Okay, so let me see. Yes, and JJ, yeah. Hi, nice to see you here, JJ. Thank you so much for coming in. So happy to see you here. All right. Okay, and yes, J3M4. This looks like more like a words, right? It looks like more like a name. Is it James? Okay, I don't know. Anyway, okay. How is the 5 pips? Okay, how is the 5 pips trading? Okay, let's see. Okay, if I'm looking into 5 pips trading, okay, first of all, you also need to. Are you here? J3M4. Okay, J3M4. Are you here? All right. J3M4. Okay, so first of all, most of the time I will be looking out for the space. Okay, example like this. This is the space that I'm looking out for. Okay, we have about 6 pips there. Okay, about 6 pips. So these 6 pips over here. Okay, these 6 pips over here. We are looking into this area here. Okay, that 6 pips. You have to give yourself some buffer. Okay, example your spread. Okay. So if your spread is 2 pips, then you're left with 4 pips. Then that is not enough for you to collect like 5 pips. So example from here, okay, from here you can see the bull is running until the sellers are coming in to sell. That will be one signal. Once you analyze out, okay, from here, let's say the resistance is here. Am I right? Okay, so next to go, okay, we can see this area here. Okay, you can see from this area here, it start to swing up to create these highs, and it started to come down and hover around this area. After that, it retests the highs again from this point, retest the highs again. So this will give me these key levels here. So once these levels of structure it has broken, I will have good space down there to look out for my support. So now where's my support? So let's take a look. Okay, my support. Sorry, my support is here. Okay, so yeah, okay, should be here. All right, so as we can see from this area here, like I say again, okay, let me repeat again, it swing up to create a highs, then after that it swing back. You can see it started to, from this area here, it started to form a support. After it formed a support, it retest these highs without breaking. It came down, it swing down to break this area. Okay, it breaks this area. Okay, it start to break this area, and this is the area we are going to take a look at the space down there. All right, first of all, this is the space here which we're going to have some turbulence, so always look at the space here. About 9 pips, is it good enough? Okay, 9 pips, 5 pips is good enough inclusive of spread. Then I think that will be a good chance for us to grab the, it will be a good chance for me to grab the 5 pips. Okay, that's how I actually grab my 5 pips. Okay, yeah. Okay, so yeah. Wow. 7天被问30次。Okay. I think that's quite interesting. Yeah. Okay. Just now I'm speaking Mandarin. Okay, I saw a comment here. Okay, I saw a message here. Let me translate. Okay, let me translate. Within the 7 days, I was being asked 30 times, how much did I make recently? Okay. Okay. 你最近赚很多吧？ Oh no, sorry, my wrong translation. The translation should be, recently you must have been making a lot of money. Okay, so once I determine, once I determine the space, okay, and you should be able to grab, okay, as much as possible since we have determined the space here. Okay, I think that will be a very good one. Okay, all right, yep, and I think it's not that difficult. Okay, yeah. Will you be attending the Singapore Financial Congress in August? I have received the invitation, so yeah, let's see. If I have to fly, then I have to fly. Okay, because this year a bit special. This year a bit special. All right. Hi, CK. Thank you for coming in. Yep. Yep. Okay, and let's see the pound dollar. Nice, right? Pound dollar is so nice. It's coming. It's selling down, and it hits onto the support now. Okay, it hits on the support now. If we are going to continue the selling, allow it to break first. Break this support first. Then retest this area. Then we'll go for another round of selling. Okay, all right. So no hurry, guys. No hurry. Okay, no hurry. Alright, no hurry. So don't rush. Yeah. Okay, on first, because you do not know whether it breaks. Okay, what if, yeah, like now, things like now is going to stay put onto the support, then it's going to swing upwards to look out for a resistance, then form up a new resistance around this area here. Okay, around this area here, then this area here, then after that, then it will start to swing back. Then now you have another 8 pips of space. 8 pips. So this 8 pips, will you be able to grab some? Okay, then we will take a look later on how it goes. All right, so tentatively it should be here like this. Okay, I like this kind of formation. You know, I call this a tungsten formation. You know why tungsten? You know, there's in the traditional, the bulb. Okay, the bulb, the halogen bulb. Okay, so we have tungsten inside, right? So when we switch on, okay, it heat up it actually heat up the tungsten wire, right? Then we have we will start to omit this heat, and it's burning so high up that it brighten up. Correct? Okay, so I call this a tungsten strategy. Okay, that's nonsense. Anyway, all right. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. So when I talk about tungsten, it reminds me of somebody, Marcus from Malaysia, Yeah. Okay. Yeah. All right. So thank you so much for coming in once again. Okay. So I hope everybody enjoyed this streaming, and if you are enjoying this streaming, do remember to smash the like button and share the video out for me. Okay, thank you so much, guys. All right, and once again, okay, yes, this year, yeah, I have a lot of flying trip. Okay, I have a lot of flying trip on the second half of the year, but guys, I will still keep you updated, okay, about my flying schedule. So there may be times that I cannot come on live streaming. Okay, I seek your understanding. Okay, so let's see if we have a better arrangement for that. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's see, and we will see how it goes. Yeah. No worries. I think that shouldn't be an issue. Okay. Okay. So yeah, take it easy. Okay, yeah. Pound dollar, let's wait for a while. Okay, pound dollar, let's wait for a while. As for the rest, okay, if you're let me send out this. Okay, yeah, let me send this out so that everybody able to see what are the things that I have actually pick. Okay, then after that we'll take a look. Now I'm waiting for London market. I'm waiting for London market. Okay, if the London market is doing good, and from there, then if there's a good chance for the selling, then we will go on for the selling later on. Okay, yeah. Okay. Yes. So once again, and we will see how it goes. What is this? All right. Let me paste this into my Discord. Okay. And also, yeah, let me share into the Discord. Okay. Yeah. Today I'm all by myself today. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yep. All right. So once it hits on the support, can we start selling? Sorry, can we start buying? I will advise that no, please don't start buying. Okay, don't start buying at this selling trend. Okay, you are actually going against the trend, which is not very advisable. Okay, not very advisable. All right. So on the other hand, yes, on the other hand, we are actually looking. On the other hand, I'm looking for a resistance to sell down. Okay, so there may be one possible. Okay, let me use this line. One possible area which is here. Okay, allow it to retest this area. Okay, alternatively, if this is going to break, then allow it to retest into this area first. Okay, once this area, then we will come back once again. Okay, hi, Merry Christmas. I miss you so much. Hi, Merry Christmas. I miss you so much. Okay. All right. Okay. So over here. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. Okay, let's see if we are going to retest this area, and then we are going to come back here to break this support to continue the downward trend. Okay, I have an area here. So this area, it has actually showed a very potential one, which before I flew off. Okay, I plotted this area here, correct? So this week, the is it no, sorry, wrong. Okay, that was 2 weeks, last week. Okay, so the week before, okay, I saw this area here. Okay, so I saw this area here, and I saw this area, okay, a profitable area here. Then I actually wanted to I will be still looking out to swing down into this final destination about here. Okay, so that's one here. Okay, so I still have about a 50 pips to go, which I still see a very good potential in that. Okay, for that, then currently I still see there's a good chance of selling. Okay, so let's wait and see if this is going to help. All right, so once we are going to break the support here, from the support to this area is about 45 pips. Along the way, we have one support area that about 15 pips away, okay, from current price. After breaking the support, we still have a 15 pips. So I would suggest we can do some scalping. Okay, we can do some scalping. After the scalping, then after that, we have, after the scalping through these 15 pips, then we have another 20 pips to go. Okay, I still see there's good potential in that. All right. Okay. Yeah. And well, let's take a look over here. All right. Yes. If you're having a live streaming with you online, is it possible? Yes. Why not? Okay. Feel free. Do you want me to invite you over so that we can chat over the live streaming? Okay. But okay, chatting is only when we wanted to avoid FOMO. Okay, right? Okay, other than that, then we will still keep our topic into Forex trading. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, once again, yes, over here. Okay, over here, we as just now we discussed. Okay, after it hits on the support nicely. Okay, after we plotted this, it hits here nicely, sit on it nicely, and now started to retrace upwards, and it's going to retest this area. Okay, it's going to retest this area to form a resistance. Whether it will form a resistance, let's observe. Okay, let's observe. Okay, let's observe and see if this if this is going to form a resistance so that it can come down for another round of selling. Okay, and then probably we are going into another area, into this area here. If this is going to break, we are going to do this area, allow it to take out the highs, and then we will go for the selling. All right, the highs has not been taken out. Okay, this area is quite a tough area. Okay, for the buyers. Okay, it's going to be quite a tough area for the buyers. So let's see, let's wait and see whether it will come down for a selling here or here. Okay, there will be two areas. Okay, as for the gold, let's take a look. As for the gold is on the way to sell. Okay, so we are looking into, wow, there's a gap like Caro. I think Caro was saying that there's a gap there, correct? Okay, to fill up. Okay, so we are still looking out for the gold to fill up the gap here. Okay, as we can see, there's a gap here. We are into the gap right now. Okay, so over here. Okay, for the gold. All right, we are into the gap now. Okay, we are into the gap now. What are you waiting? Okay. Yeah, I don't know if you I don't know. Okay. Gap is getting filled. Yes. Okay. Very soon. Okay, so wow, yeah, gap is getting filled. Nostradamus style. Yeah. I love this style. Okay, we have Bradley, the cowboy style. We have Caro, the Nostradamus style. Okay. Yeah. Oh, Bradley, you sold. Okay. Alright, so from here over this area here we have about 11. Okay. Excuse me. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. This is sooner or later. It's something sooner or later. Okay, so let's wait for a while and see. Yeah. It's I would say that it's very close. Okay, it should be quite close to have start to swing faster downwards. Okay, very good, very good. Yeah. Hi KH, 你好吗? Nice to see you here. Thank you so much. Paul Frank. Okay, Paul Frank. Let's take a look at Paul Frank. Oh, Paul Frank looks good. Okay, Paul Frank looks good. Let me see. Okay, Paul Frank. Oh, I saw Paul Frank. Aha, I saw a gap there. Okay, we have a gap there. I see a gap here. I see a gap here. Can you see? We are moving towards the gap. Okay, Paul Frank. Paul Frank, which is good. Wow, same style. Tungsten style. Tungsten strategy. Okay, very good retesting over at this point here. Okay, okay, let's see. Another one. Paul Frank, Paul Frank. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, we have here. Yeah. Does it looks like a pound dollar just now earlier on? So after if it broke the structure. It broke the structure. Then after the retest, and now coming back here for the selling. So we are moving towards the gap. Okay, we have about 10 pips. This is very low liquidity, very low. So please be careful, huh? Okay, I will advise that do a good scalping. I think that will be good. Okay, a good scalping. Okay, pound franc. Okay, pound franc. So pound franc, as we can see in the day, is going on the sideway. So of course this sideway is within the sideway with the range. We have about 380 pips, about 380 pips. So with these 380 pips, okay, within these 380 pips, we can see that, you know, it's actually hitting onto the now within the 380 pips is actually forming down a selling trend here. So from now we can see there's a new round of selling cycle, okay, coming into this. Oh, I can see market is selling very strongly. Yeah, and I see the selling has started, okay, and we have a retested and giving a new selling, okay, a new selling trigger, okay. Yeah, so this one we can take note, okay, for people who are selling. Okay, you can take a look at this, okay. Okay, so for people who are selling, all right, you can take a look at this. So after that, you can take a look into this area here. Once it retests into this area to form another round of resistance, then we can start the selling down to fill up the gap here about 18 pips. Okay, that will be then we will be looking into 18 pips of space here. 1.8. Okay, 1.8. So I think it's still quite good. Okay. Yeah, today I thought, what's happening today? It looks like the time moves so slow. Okay, so let's move around with pound franc and pound dollar. Well, looks like pound dollar is going to break above. Okay, looks like it's going to break above. So let's wait and see. Okay. Okay, let's wait and see. Euro dollar, yes, euro dollar. Let's see. What is that? Okay. Let me check. I can't. No. Euro dollar. Take a look at pound dollar, because pound dollar now we are actually, you see, it's actually trying to form a resistance down here. Okay. Euro dollar. Let's take a look at euro dollar. Euro dollar looks like we are also testing into the resistance. It looks good as well. Okay, it looks good as well. So over here, the resistance has been tested once again. So trying to form a new round of resistance. Wow, this euro dollar looks nice as well. Okay. Let's take a look, huh? Okay. Euro dollar looks like it's going to hover a little bit. Okay, this area here. Okay, it looks like it's our tungsten formula again. Tungsten strategy. Okay, this area here. Okay, I'm gonna put this way. Okay, so for euro dollar, I guess it's quite obvious. I think for me, I will break this area first. After I break this area, then after that it retests, then I go for the selling. I think that will be easier. Okay, not now. Now I think it's not very safe. If we are going to sell now, we only have about 5 pips of space. 5 pips. 5 pips. So if I want to grab my 5 pips, it's not even enough. Okay, inclusive of spread, I will become knockout. Okay, so no yet. For pound franc, let's wait for it to form a resistance into this area, then we go for selling. Okay, for pound dollar, okay, oh, it failed to form the resistance. We have less than a minute. London is going to open. Let's see how it goes. Okay, let's see how it goes before we actually go on. Okay, go for another round of selling. Yeah. Well, looks like it's coming down to test into this support. Highly likely it should be coming down this way. Okay, about 8 pips. Then after that, it should start to swing up. Okay, it should start to swing up. Yeah. Okay, and take it easy. Take it easy. Okay, guys have any questions? Okay, for me, we have about 30 seconds to go. Oh no, it has opened. Okay, good morning, London. Yeah, let's wait. Do not enter a trade now. Do not enter any trade now. Okay, it's not safe to enter any trade right now. Okay, hang on. Okay, no. Okay, please, no, do not. Okay, yeah. Not very safe, right? Okay, so hang on first. Can I put in a buy? No, of course. Do not put in any buy right now. Okay, do not put in any buy right now, because if you're putting in a buy, we are going against the trend. Okay, so let's wait for a little while. Okay, let's wait for a little while. Okay, hang on first. Yeah, let's take a look at pound franc. Okay, pound franc, we are moving towards this area here to form a resistance before we can start the selling. Okay, so hang on. Euro dollar, let's take a look. Euro dollar. Okay, let's see. Euro dollar has opened down. Looks like it's going to form a higher support from the support here. Another round of support here, which is comparing to this, is a higher one. So we have higher lows, and it may push test onto the resistance. Okay, so hang on. Okay, so a lot of times when we are going to enter a trade, do remember to pay attention to the is there any new market opening, like example pound. Okay, London is going to open, then probably we have to be very careful. Okay, let's take a look at pound franc. Okay, moving towards our target. Okay, so let's wait for the resistance to form up here. Pound dollar. Okay, it broke, and now it broke the resistance, and now it's still moving towards the north. How about the gold? Okay, the gold, oh, it's still hovering around this area, huh? So let's wait for a little while. But it looks like this is 1939, huh? Let's wait for 1939 first. Okay, let's see. Looks like it's coming back into the support, forming up the support from the support here. Will it actually swing down once again in the next M15 opening? Okay, M15 opening. Yeah. Okay, and let's see pound dollar. Let's take a look at pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar have retested into the area. It got rejected down. So is the pound franc the same? Ah, pound franc, yeah. Looks like it's coming in. There's some rejections as well. So if there's a resistance form from here coming down to here about 18 pips, I think it will be better. The space is better and attractive, okay, for me to grab my 5 pips. Okay, yeah. Okay, so pound franc, we have pound franc here. Let's take a look at euro dollar. Let's take a look at euro dollar. Well, euro dollar looks like it's not forming up. Okay, let's wait for the next M5 to open and see how it goes. Okay, M5. Now we are coming down here. Even though it's coming down here to selling 5 pips away. We're 5 pips away. Okay, if 5 pips away and we are going to grab this 5 pips, not enough, right? We don't have enough space for that. Pound franc. Pound franc, very good rejections over here. Okay, a good rejections over here. Looks like pound franc is coming to sell. Okay, pound franc, let's take a look. Pound franc, pound franc, pound franc. Wow, beautiful pound franc. Okay. We left with about 9 pips. So it's good to scout for 5 pips. 5 pips, huh? But take a look at this area here, huh? This area here. Before entering to fill out the gaps here. Okay, this area may be there may be some turbulence. Okay, it may be quite difficult over into this area here. Okay, so please be very careful. Now we are left with 7 pips. Okay, so how about pound dollar? Pound dollar here. Not yet. Pound dollar. Not there yet. Okay. Yeah, not yet, not yet. Let's take a look for the gold. The gold looks like we are tested onto the resistance here. Okay, so if this resistance continue to hold it, I think that should be quite good. But this may be the last round, huh? This may be the last round. Okay, please be careful. Okay, alright. This may be the last push. So this may be the last push down. If this push able to fill up the gap here and break out of this gap area, we maybe even go further down to this price of 1919. 1919. Okay, 1919 is quite possible. Okay, 1919 is quite possible. Yeah. Okay. Pound dollar, quite a while to go. Pound franc. So this area here, huh? Okay. We have to wait for a little while. Pound dollar, okay. Yes, Sabrina. You accidentally sold the pound dollar. Okay, you accidentally sold the pound dollar, huh? Okay. Yeah. Okay, then well, as for pound dollar, let's wait for another while more to go, but looks like the support is actually coming in. You're based on M1, right? You're based on M1, then allow this to test onto this resistance first. Okay, if this breaks the resistance here, then I think you have to call for a stop. Okay, you have to call for a stop. If that breaks the resistance, then you have to call for a stop. Tentatively, we are still, it is still moving towards the resistance to form a selling, okay, to form another round of selling, right? However, okay, you have to be careful as well, because as you can see from the low here, it set up another higher lows here. Okay, so that is one. Yeah, and yeah, the resistance is still there. Okay, the resistance is still there. Still there. Okay, euro dollar. Let's take a look. Euro dollar. Right, euro dollar is now euro dollar is setting up. Anyway, the space is only 5 pips. Too tight. Okay, it's too tight. Okay, so no for now. Pound franc. Okay, we are still now coming down for the selling. So from now we have about 9 pips to go. So 5 pips for scalping. Okay, scalpers 5 pips. Okay. Well, it looks good, but you need a little bit of time. This looks like you're going to set up a support here. Please be careful. Okay, please be careful. Right. Yeah, looks like it's going to set up a support over here. Okay. For now, no. Which one? Pound dollar, huh? Okay, pound dollar. Oh, pound dollar. Yes, Sabrina. Now, I will not say that it's very good, because you can see there's a pin bar over here. It looks like a pin bar, right? Over here. So we have to clear this. Okay, then I will see that there's a chance to come down here. Okay, there will be a chance to come down here. Okay, to 127.11.7. Okay, 127.11.7. Okay, yeah. All right. Pound dollar, but generally pound dollar should be on the selling. Generally, okay, pound dollar should be selling. Okay, so we are still in the trending. Trending. So still looking good. If I'm looking into a bigger picture, okay, we should still have about 30 pips to go. Okay, yeah. Wait. Now you have to wait. Okay, yeah, now you have to wait. Pound franc. Okay, pound franc. Now I'm waiting for pound franc to close out of this range here. Okay, like this. If this is going to close, I think that will be good. Okay, I think that will be good. All right. So for euro dollar, okay, no, testing on the resistance now. Okay, so hang on. Okay, pound dollar. Looks like a resistance. From this resistance here, from this area here, if this is going to close below, okay, the lower wick of the previous red candle, all right, then I will see that this will be a trending market. Okay, it still shows a trending here. As we can see, we have a lower highs here, and then we can continue the selling to create another lower highs. Okay, it will create another lower highs. Yeah. Okay, let's see gold. Oh no, the gold has set up the support here, and it actually went up. Okay, so once it tested onto this resistance, it broke through. Okay, then this one had to call for a stop. Okay, you have to call for a stop here. Okay, yeah. And pound dollar, okay, it's also bounced back. All right, for pound franc, it bounced back as well. Okay, so for the pound euro dollar, now it bounced back. Okay, no, euro dollar is still holding on to the resistance here. Okay, the resistance here. Okay, so hang on. Anyway, pound franc, okay, it did not close below this area here. I still don't see any selling. Then let's allow it to test into the area here once again. For pound dollar is retesting into the area once again. Looks like this area is very strong as a resistance, as we can see here. All right. Okay, pound cat. The pound cat. Okay, let's see. Oh, pound cat. Pound cat has break out of the structure here. Now it started to swing down. Okay, so I think that's pretty okay. Euro dollar tested on the resistance, but feared to break it down, turning back. Looks pretty good. I think this one have a good chance. 11 pips. Yeah, I think hang on first. Okay. Pound dollar. As for pound dollar, for Sabrina, you have entered the wrong trade just now. Okay, you're saying they entered the selling on the accidentally. This one it has closed above. It's good that you can cut some losses. Okay. Right. Okay. If this is going to break above, then this is bad. Okay, then you have to you really have to close the trade. Okay. Okay. Sit back and wait. Sit back and wait. Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. You can wait for a little while. If the price actually hits, now it's currently hits into the resistance area, so if this is going to turn down, okay, then you can grab the profit from there. Hi, Green Audit. Nice to see you. TP on the decks. Okay, congratulations. Well done. Very good, very good. Okay, so let's see. Okay, the dollar yen is down for the selling now. Yeah, dollar yen is on the selling now. Okay. 15,825 the entry. Okay, later I will take a look. I don't have it with me now. Okay, I don't have it with me now. But importantly is that you must know how you grab your profits. Okay, so you have to recap it yourself. Okay, revise it immediately, so that it's still while it's still staying fresh. Okay, then while it's still staying fresh in your memory on the 15,825 entry. Then keep it as a memories. Then after that, the next round you'll be able to use it again. Okay. Yeah. Okay. The good one is a good one. Okay. That's good. That's good. All right. Aussie CAD. Let's take a look at Aussie CAD. Okay. We have now. Okay. Eileen. Okay. Aussie CAD. Oh, Aussie CAD. So nice. Okay. Aussie CAD. Let's take a look. Aussie CAD. Yeah, Aussie CAD, but be careful, we are very near to the support. Okay, we have around 28 pips away from the support. Okay, 1, 2, 4. Okay, good. We're giving a new cycle of selling. Good. Wow, nice. Good volume there. Okay. And the selling has already started. Okay, so let's see. Wow. Okay. It have ran for about 6 pips. It has ran about 6 pips there. Okay, 6 pips has gone. Let me see. Yeah, about 6 pips. Yes. Alright, today can focus all the yen. Okay, let's take a look all the yen. Alright. So Eileen, have you entered for Aussie CAD? Have you entered for the Aussie CAD? Have you entered the Aussie CAD? Aussie yen, yeah, Aussie yen. Wow, looks like it's good. Okay, alright. So you have already entered, huh? So let's take a look later on, huh? Okay, let me take a look at the Aussie yen. Aussie yen looks pretty good as well. We have wow, it's good. About 28 pips as well. Have you sell this Aussie yen? Merry Christmas. Did you sell any of the yen pairs? 1927, the gold range. Okay, let's take a look. The gold went back to range into this area again. Okay. So let's see. Okay. Let's wait again. Range again. Okay, pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar, we are into the area here. Now we are into this area here. So will there be a good chance that it's going to set up another resistance to continue the selling? Okay, let's wait and see. Okay, pound franc, same thing, pound franc. Let's wait. Okay, let me change the position. Okay. Pound dollar, huh? Okay, pound dollar, we're still there. We are still in the range. How about the Aussie CAD? Let's take a look. Okay, Aussie CAD. Yes, I'm busy outside though. Give signal for you guys. Wow, thank you so much. Are you busy outside on the street picking up some cash on the floor? Okay, Aussie CAD is good. Okay, Aussie CAD. If earlier on, if this Aussie CAD has entered, okay, I guess the entry should be here. You're coming down now for about 7, coming near to 8 pips. Okay, alright. Pay money only. If you're paying money only, that means you're in Orchard now, huh? This hour, you're going to pay money. It should be Orchard shopping. Am I right? We have a shopping street called Orchard Road. I think Merry Christmas is having her atas shopping. Okay. I can only shop at Pasar Malam. Okay. Aussie CAD is good. Still good. Okay. We have coming into 8 minutes. M30 is going to open. Okay. Let's see. Ooh. It's breaking through. Okay. And the final price for the Aussie CAD should be 87,503. 0.87503. Okay, 503. So we have 20 pips to go. Okay, 20 over pips to go. Alright, so hang on first for this. Alright, so we are coming in to test into the range here. Okay. So if this resistance is going to hold here, then we will have another good chance of selling down again. Okay, so from here to here, about 12 pips. Okay. Okay, then let's see for the Aussie CAD. Well, for Aussie CAD right now, as we can see from here, we are now retesting into this area here. Okay, we are retesting into this area here. So if this is able to hold it, okay, then we are coming back down again to take this area of support, which I can see there's about 12 pips there. Okay, about 12 pips. Okay, so let's wait for it to hit on the resistance, okay, before we take action. Alright, for Aussie Yen, I think that's pretty good. Allow it to have another round of resistance, then we will go for selling. For Aussie dollar, we are also going back to retest the area. Yeah, euro dollar. Exactly. Okay, euro dollar, it drops to the support just now we have plotted earlier on, which the area that I say that we don't really have enough space because of the 5 pips inclusive of the spread is also not enough. Okay, all right, so that's one. Okay, so over at this area here, yeah, not enough volume, right? Okay, yes, so probably later on, okay, later on in the New York session, you may have a good chance for the Aussie CAD, huh? Okay, for the pound franc, okay, pound franc, we are actually escalating up into this area here and forming out another resistance. But this resistance not so good because the previous candle is like a, you know, the lower wick is so long. Okay, not so ideal. Pound dollar, yeah, pound dollar, we have went back into the range, and now has it taken out the highs here? Not yet, not yet. Okay, not yet. So please be careful. All right, please be careful because over at this point here, there's one area here. $87, 8 pips to go. If this resistance able to hold, it's actually coming back to look out for support. This area here, 127.251, 127.251. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys, do give me a little while. Okay, I hope you don't mind. I just go over to my pantry and grab some drinks. Okay. Yeah, I finished mine. I'm so thirsty now. Okay, sorry guys, give me a little while. Okay, 1 minute, I will be back. Hello guys, I'm back. Thank you so much for being here with me. Okay, now, okay, let's take a look. Pound dollar. Yeah, pound dollar. Yes, pound dollar. Yes, hi Jammer. Nice to see you here. Right. Jammer is here. Yeah, love you. Okay, so yeah, it's keep out time. Yeah, for Caro, keep out time. Okay. Alright, so let's see. For the gold, it's actually moving upwards now again. So still hovering around what 1927, 1928. Let's wait for a little while. Okay, we have now let's take a look for the pound dollar. Okay, for the pound dollar. Well, it looks like a pound dollar is now taken out the highs. Okay, we are taken out the highs here. Alright, so what's next? Well, will it actually go down for look out for the lows? Well, it must have a sign that the sellers are coming in. Okay, now it's a sign of resistance. Okay, resistance. It's a sign of resistance. So now it's a sign of resistance. Then let's see if that works to form up with to show us that the sellers are coming in. Then I think that would be good. Okay. Okay, so let's move on to pound franc. Let's take a look. Pound franc. Pound franc looks like we are also now having this area here. I think which is quite good. Okay, pound franc. Here. Okay, we have tested into this area here. Right. Just now we are saying that allow the pound franc to retest into this area here to form a resistance. Right now it is forming a resistance. Okay. Right now it's forming a resistance. I think which looks quite okay. Okay, we may have a good chance for the selling later on. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Yeah, pound dollar. Euro dollar, not pound dollar. Euro dollar looks like we are actually bringing down the trend now. Tungsten. Tungsten, yeah, looks like okay, now it's breaking out of the structure here. Once it broke through, okay, once it broke through the structure, it tested on the support. Let's break the support here, then retest to form a new resistance below the support. Then I think there will be a good chance here to sell down. Okay, there will be a good chance to sell down here. Okay, so I think it's still quite good over into this area here. 16 pips of space. Okay, that's for the euro dollar. Let's take a look at Aussie CAD. How's the Aussie CAD? Yeah, the Aussie CAD looks like it's testing into this area here to form a new resistance. Okay, so let's be patient. Okay, ELIN. Okay, Aussie CAD is for ELIN. Well, euro dollar. That's what we're talking about, euro dollar, right? Okay, now euro dollar, it looks like now it's actually testing to break the support, retesting it. Okay, so but hang on, because I see that the H1 over here for the euro dollar, it looks all pretty good. Okay, now it looks all pretty good. Allow it to retest a bit first. Let's see if there's a good chance. Okay, I'm waiting for euro dollar to form a new resistance below the support. Then there may be a good chance to pump in the trade, huh? Okay, so that's for KH. KH also putting up pound franc. Yeah, pound franc. As for pound franc, okay, if you can see for the past few 5 minutes candles, we have a lower wick. Am I right? This shows there's rejections of some sort of support, some form of support over here. So make sure the candle close below one of the previous low first. Okay, this candle. Okay, let me zoom in. This candle close below this wick. Okay, the previous candle's wick. Okay, pound franc. Pound franc is coming in. Okay, pound franc. Yep. Okay, pound franc, that's one. Pound dollar, let's take a look. Pound dollar, we are still testing, we are still retesting the resistance. We are still testing onto the resistance there, huh? So please be careful. Okay, hang on. Wait for it to close. It's not closing yet. Pound dollar, pound dollar, pound dollar. Wow, this H1 candle it seems as telling me something, huh? Okay. Pound dollar looks nice, but then again is that if this is going to sell down, well, we have about 19 pips there. But H1 is in the green candle. That means to say we are fighting against the buyers. If we are going to sell down, okay, you are contributing some volumes to increase the selling volume, okay. But this is not a good way to sell. This is not a good way to sell. Okay. Yeah, let's take a look at the gold once again. Oh, the gold is breaking through 1928 soon. Okay. Well, no. Let's take back a look. Okay, Aussie CAD. Aussie CAD. Aussie CAD. Well, Aussie CAD as of now is testing into this range here, as you can see, right over here. Yeah. So if this is going to form another round of resistance down here, I guess that it should be a very good one, that it should be still going down for the selling. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I think the selling is still they are still looking for resistance to continue the selling. Okay, allow it to test onto the resistance first. Okay, yeah, and Aussie dollar. No, Aussie yen is sort of coming near to our support. Aussie yen is coming near to the support. Yeah. Euro yen. Wow. Okay. Pound yen. Seems like this is also looking for support, huh? Yeah, for the pound yen now, oh, looks like it will still continue the selling. Pound yen, but 1932.2 and then 1937, but some retracement now. Okay, so let's okay. To confirm move up. Okay, I'll be looking into this area here. Okay, so let's see if this is able to, let me see. Yeah, yep. Okay, I think it may comes down to 19. About 1926, as you can see here. 1926, yeah, it'll be a temporary retracement. Okay, so pound dollar. Oh, pound dollar. Pound dollar. Pound dollar is still moving towards the resistance to test. Okay, hopefully it can hold as a double top there. Okay, hopefully it still can hold as a double top. Okay, coming near, coming near, coming near. Okay, let's see if that's a hold it there, hold it there. Okay, pound franc. Let's take a look at pound franc. Pound franc. It did not close below the previous week. Okay, it did not close below the previous week. It's still closing above the week. Okay, so more buyers is coming in. More buying is coming in to clear this area. Then you can break above and continue to buy. Okay, so let's see. Okay. Hi, Ki Heng. Correct. Hi, Ki Heng. Nice to see you there. You're on the Facebook. Alright, there's a link up there. There's a link up there. Click there and come into my YouTube. Okay? Alright. Okay, so thank you so much for coming in. Okay. Yep. And let's see. Powcat is as well. Same thing. It's actually moving towards the north. Let's take a look at euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar. Oh, it bounced back onto it, but it closes above the support, so it's going to retest once again. Allow it to close below the below the support. I'm waiting for it to close below the support. Okay, yeah. All right, Aussie cat. Yes, it's moving according to our plan. Very good. So it's hitting onto the area here. So let's see if this M5 candle is going to close below the lower wicks of the past 3 candles. Can you see? Alright, if this is going to close below, okay, that means to say one candle is wiping out all these buyers. So the next round we are going to see selling very soon. Okay, we are going to see selling very soon. But although it's not there yet, okay, but we can still hold on first. Okay, we can still hold on. Okay, hold on. No, not now, not now. No. It's dangerous. Just like pound franc, am I right? Okay. Close. Aha. It closed. Did it close below? Let's take a look. Right. Yeah. About there. Okay, it closed slightly below. All right, slightly below. Okay, that's slight. All right, so what we are expecting to see, we should be expecting to see selling coming in. Okay, all right, Eileen, your Aussie cat. Okay, sellers are coming in now. Okay, sellers are coming in now. Looks good. All right, looks good. Looks good. Wow, very good. Okay. Sellers are coming in. Okay, so hang on, let's see. Okay, that's for the Aussie cat. So first of all, Aussie cat, I'll be looking into this area here, where this area it should have some turbulence. Okay, so this area here, it may comes down to this area and it's going to hover around. All right, if this is going, if the red candle, when the sellers are coming in and able to close below 0.87741, okay, then I think it will continue the swing down. Okay, it will look out for a lower support down there. Okay, so just see. Okay, just observe first and see how it goes. All right. Yep. For Aussie cat, yes. What's about Aussie cat? Where's the support? Okay. I'm looking at 0.87503. 0.87503. Okay. ICK Euro Aussie EA. Alright, EA Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie today is in the buy side. Okay, it's on the buy side. So it's on the bull. So you're looking for selling or you're looking for buying. Okay. Selling, right? Okay, so we are right on the sell. We are right on the resistance now. Okay, we are right on the resistance now. If you are selling against the trend. Okay, you are selling against the trend. But if this is looking out for support before it continue to buy up, okay, you can look out for this area here for Euro Aussie. We will have about 25 pips there. Okay, when there's some pullback, you can look out for this area here. Okay, 1.63024. Okay, and right now seems it's still quite struggling. Okay, still quite struggling, so have to wait. Euro Aussie, there may be a chance, but this is a pullback. Okay, Aussie CAD. Okay, let's see Aussie CAD. Okay, we have 2 minutes to go. All right, 2 minutes to go to see the next, to observe how's the opening for the next M5. Okay, yeah, and let's wait. Okay, you are most welcome, CK. Oh, looks like Aussie CAD is actually still moving steadily. Okay, 1 minute to go. We have 1 more minute to go. Okay, let's take a look. We have 1 more minute to go. 1 more minute. This 1 minute is important. We have about 15 seconds to go. Hopefully it closed below. Okay, hopefully it closed below. Alright, here. Around this here area. If not, this is going to set up a support. Unfortunately it did not. Okay, unfortunately it did not. Yes, Ki Heng. Pound dollar, can I sell the trade? Can you sell the trade? If you are selling on the trade, I would suggest no first. Okay, not yet. The selling point is not there yet. Okay, where the selling is not there yet. For now, we have 4 pips away, getting nearer to the resistance. Okay, hang on. Pound dollar cannot sell now, huh? Pound dollar. You are most welcome. You are most welcome. Okay, 客气了，客气了。By the way， 我是会说中文的 ，OK， 好不好？哇，我是会说中文的。你们有没有发现到我的中文有进步呢？Okay. Did you realize my Mandarin is improving? Okay. Well, looks like the Aussie CAD is still hovering around this area. Okay. Trying to form supports. At the same time, it's so near to the resistance. Okay, looks like a consolidation is coming very soon. Okay. Alright. And looks like okay. Hang on for a while. Yes, it's coming in. Okay, so yep, time flies. Just now the time was moving so slow. Okay, well, resistance is here for the Aussie cat, but once again, of course, we still need. Looks like we're still hovering around this area here with these 3 candles here. Can you see? They are still struggling in the area here. Okay, unless this current red candle is going to close below. Okay, just now it was like a little bit, just slight, correct? Just slightly. So you know, sometimes it can be a range. Okay, sometimes it can be a range, and I mean the support is a range. Is a range of support here, correct? So yeah, hopefully to see that this is going to close below, and then it will look good. Okay, if not, this is going to retest into this area of resistance. Then another round of selling is coming back here again. Okay, no, this is not yet. This is not currently it's not so good yet. Yeah, yes. Okay, hold on. Pound dollar, do not sell, huh? Pound dollar. Yeah, pound dollar is still on the way to the moon. Okay. Wait. Okay, so guys, let's take a look. We have about M5, okay, opening. Well, looks that this Aussie cat is going to move because we have a low here, higher lows here. It's going to test into this area of resistance. Let's say if this resistance able to hold, all right, able to hold it as a resistance downwards, then you can sell down to this area here. All right, okay, so that's one. Okay, so if this is going to hold here, okay, as a resistance, yes, the same thing, it will still be able to go down to this area here, but this round is only about 6 pips. Okay, 6 pips. So you do consider if you're grabbing for 5, if you're grabbing for 10, definitely I would say it's not safe. But if you're grabbing for 5, okay, I will still say it's not that safe because of the spread. Okay, the space is not enough for the spread. Okay, so that's one. All right. Okay, so about the stop, if this is going to break above, okay, it's going to break above this area. That means to say it's time to call for a stop. Okay. Yeah, euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar. Just now, as we discussing, it seems that it breaks the support, allow it to retest and set up a new resistance below the support, then it will start to swing down. Unfortunately, it did not work that way. It goes the another way, so that's why it has become still on the buy side. Okay, it's still on the buy side. Okay, all right. So yeah, and let's take a look at pound franc. All right, pound franc. Okay, pound franc, no. Okay, it did not close below any of the lows here. It's still going up to take the highs. Okay, so allow it to take the highs first, then we'll observe how it goes. Pound yen started to retrace upwards also. Okay, so for pound dollar has already break the resistance, so no more selling. Keep the mindset to the buying. All right. Okay. Yeah. Well, let's take a look at the gold. All right, let's take a look at gold. Well, the gold seems like it's actually also breaking through, and it's not coming back to 1926. Still a long way to go. Yeah, and I think just have to hang on for a little while. Okay. Well, I think that should be today. I think a lot of this one I think have to wait for a New York session, then we will be able to see clearer. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. All right. So 2 hours up so fast. Okay. Okay. So let's see what we are. We can also for pound dollar. Okay. We're waiting in the next New York session. Then we will see how it goes before we actually can enter for a trade. All right. And the next one for euro franc. Correct. Pound franc. Pound franc is going to take the highs as well up here. All right, so allow you to take the highs before we decide what to do. Okay, euro dollar, it has bounced back into the area of ranging. All right, so this one also may be one level that you may want to wait for it to test onto any of the key levels. Then after that we go for a selling. Okay, that's for the euro dollar. Okay, how about Aussie CAD? Well, Aussie CAD, let's take a look. Aussie CAD. Okay, Aussie CAD over here, we are now in the downward trend. Okay, obvious. So if you are selling now, it should be benefit. And also H4 is also on the selling. H1 also on the selling plan right now. Then we just need to observe. Okay, the next H4, there's a support over here. Am I right? Okay, so the support has broken, tested to break. Okay, tested to break. So if this able to break, then there will be a good chance to continue the selling. Okay, all right. So this should be quite good. Okay, so you know, it have flew up. It went up so high. Okay, it went up so high here. Okay, then definitely there will be a point that it will start to slip off. Then after that, if there's a chance to continue the selling down, then we will continue the selling down. Okay, all right. So I guess that should be all for now and today. Okay, so guys, do remember to smash the like button for me, and I shall see you tomorrow once again. All right, then we will continue what we are going to do, what we have done today, so to help everybody. Okay, so yep, that's all for today. Thank you so much, guys, and I shall see you again tomorrow. And this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Good luck in your trading, at the same time with bountiful of profits. See you again, guys. Thank you so much. Good luck.